Esgid Aur Ewrop, y brif wobr, prif sgoriwr yng nghynghreiriau pêl-droed Ewrop. Dim ond 2 o Gymru sydd wedi ennill y wobr yma, Ian Rush yn 84 a Dave Taylor yn 94. Ond mae 3 arall o Gymru wedi gorffen y tymor fel prif sgoriwr Ewrop. Felly, ble mae sgidiau aur nhw?
You know, great times. Really enjoyed my time at Porthmadog. Had a really good attacking team. We had 2 wingers that would be putting the ball in the box regular. Going forward was great, you know, lots of creativity. And the people there were absolutely fantastic.
Wrth ochr Dave yn y tîm talentog yna oedd yn troedio'r traeth, oedd y gŵr nath mlaen i fod yn brif sgoriwr yn holl hanes y gynghrair, Lloyd Williams.
Yn ymosodol oedden ni'n beri bwyd. Fi, Dave Taylor, Cipac, Ger Siops, o ganol cae, Tom Main yn gallu sgorio goliau hefyd. Felly oedden ni'n dîm reit llawn goliau.
Newspapers started ringing, Daily Star or The Sun or Daily Mirror. They wanted to see where I worked. And I went to the International Suite at Old Trafford. Jeff Hurst presented me with one of the golden boots. On the next table I had Gordon Banks and Jeff Hurst and people like that, and on the other side was Andy Cole.
Yn dilyn campau Dave Taylor a chwaraewyr tebyg, dechreuodd pobl pwysig ym mhêl-droed Ewrop ofyn y cwestiwn beth yw gwerth gôl, a dod i'r casgliad bod gôl yn y prif gynghreiriau werth mwy na gôl yn y cynghreiriau llai, oedd pethau ar fin newid. Unwaith eto, ym 1997, prif sgoriwr Cymru oedd prif sgoriwr Ewrop, ond oedd dim esgid aur Ewropeaidd i Tony Bird. Ar un oedd y stori ddwywaith i Lloyd Williams, ond o leia llwyddodd Jiws i dorri record Taylor am y nifer o goliau mewn tymor. 47 gôl, record sy'n sefyll hyd heddiw.
Sa neb yn dweud bod La Liga neu uwch ynghrau Lloegr yn gynghrair sâl pan mae Messi, Ronaldo, Shearer yn sgorio 20 o goliau. Pan mae rhai o cynghrair Cymru'n sgorio, wel, League Sâl di, yn gynghrair siomedig. Oedd yn siomedig bod chdi'n di gael o, ond ebyn yr ail dron ydi hen arfer y ffordd.
Rhys Griffiths oedd yr ola i orffen ar frig siartiau sgorio Ewrop yn 2008. Does neb chwaith di sgorio 20 ers hynny mewn tymor.
The year I could have won it, and obviously I scored the most goals in Europe that year, Ronaldo won it, and I think it was the year he won it at Man United. And for me to take it from him, although I'm in the Messi camp, for me to take it from him, it just wouldn't seem right. More than anything, I was proud to win the Welsh Premier Golden Boot. Much more important to me than the European Golden Boot was the Welsh Premier Golden Boot, and I managed to win it for the 3rd time that year, so I was thrilled.
The league is improving year on year. You're not going to get, in my opinion, somebody going rattling 40 goals a season. Personally, don't think that somebody will beat Juice's record.
Dwi'n gobeithio wneud neb i gyrraedd o, ond ia, maen nhw'n ei gael records i gael i torri, ac dwi'n gobeithio ddim na i byth fel da'n digwydd.
Seeing as we're both renowned for goal scoring, I suppose one of us better put the ball in the net, hadn't you?
Yeah.
There you go. I was hoping he'd miss.